Yo, 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 back with another one. Let's talk about EDC. Top 5 carry items. Bonus caveat. Item sunglasses. Okay? Sunglasses, gotta have some protect your eyes. But it's a bonus for me because I always have sunglasses in my vehicles, so I don't really need to carry them, so because they're already there. But these are from TEMU, Klaus or Kendall, KDream, but they're dope, polarized. You see, I know you see it. Okay, black, white, with the red lenses. Sunglasses comes with a nice little case. They were like $6. Crazy cheap. But yeah,